Hello guys, I'm the cat and I'm gonna be walking you through this guide for the beginners for Crusaders of Light. It's gonna be the first of many videos, mainly for the little guy trying to have some fun and play this game. So, regardless of the race that you're choosing, you're gonna end up here. You're exiting right here. This is where the story starts, so don't ask me what happens to the other races, because it ends up here. That's the first one. Now you have the whole interface for the game, and this is basically you. This is your character. You have the HP, you have the mana, you have the stamina, you have the experience, and all the attributes. This is a mage class, so we're gonna be looking at the mage only. This is everything you have. This is the player versus player mode, and of course the currencies, which shows you everything you have. You can change your title from here. Of course you don't have any, but you can change it from here. Just press use, and you can get some new HP reserve or mana reserve. You just press reserve, buy it, and use it, and it's gonna be added here. This is basically so you're gonna recover mana or the HP after going out of battle. It's the frames, different frames, different avatars, so on. Character is level 6 right now after the whole thing. Let's start with this. This is where all your quests will be. Current, available, you collect it. You press on the quest to finish it or to start it. It's gonna go there. And it shows you that you actually have to kill this crab. And bang, that's the quest. Now the other tab would be the team. You can create a team, choose whatever you're trying to do here, and the level and what roles do you need, and just press auto match, and then you stop it or you shout it. First you need to select something. You shout it on the team, on the current, on the guild, or the recruiter. Now you can form a squad, which is gonna be up to 40 players. This is used for the raids mainly, or the guild hunts. The team follows, summons everyone where you are, and leave team disbands everything, the group, the team, the squad. Now, over here you have the friends. You're gonna add them, create different groups, chat on the group. There's the email with everything that you have. You just add a friend, buy the ID or anything, invite a friend, or your friend space, where you can change your title again, upload a picture, see your visitors, post a status. This is gonna be your friends. Everything gives you achievements. Achievements are important in this game. Now, the guide. Crusaders of Light, they've put this new guide, the 7 days, in which you have to complete different things to get these rewards. So be sure you do this because it's gonna help you a lot. Now the new thing is basically all the new stuff that they have for sale for crystals, which you get for either gold or real life money. This is the offer. I would suggest spending $1, a pound, an euro, whatever it is on this, because it's a pretty good start in the end, and it's just one of your currency. The online gift packs, you get this every day. You get the daily login, you get the weekend login, and the online gift packs, which you get this till up to 2 hours of being online with your character. And if you collect them every day, they're pretty important. Now this is the top up, referral rewards, another top up, and the daily crystal spending. This is the bag. You have everything over here. This is for the followers. I'm gonna get to that later. Now, if you wanna add some space, just click on here, spend 500, half a million silver, unlock it, and that's it. Gold can be added to trading houses, trial quest, supply delivery quest, normal rides, activity bonus. Silver could be added through this or through gold. The rate is 1 to 100. You have the group dismantle, where you can dismantle things, and the sort. Now, this is the shop. You can buy everything you want over here, from crystals to legendary things, which apparently no one has for sale. Forging, materials, plants, priceless treasures, absolutely everything over here. You can sell it here, and then there's the world action and your guild action. It's the reputation store, very important. You can buy different stuff from here, you just have to unlock it. The medal store, again, you can buy your gems from here, or you can buy the emblems, dragon scale, everything from here, potions. The item mall is the actual shop of the game, or you can buy for real crystals. You have this every day, once a day. Daily loot, when it reaches 100 activity points, it will unlock. You can use it. And you have the lucky draw. You have these tickets. You get 2 every day. And this is very important, to have them and to use them. Gonna give you some freebies, which will help you a lot. Okay, now you have the skills, the basic 9 skills. These are the basic 9 skills. They unlock at different levels. Now these two, the first one, you have to go to Slardar, the map, and do all the quests there, and the last one will unlock this. Second one, you need to go to Slardar, and you need to raise your reputation to worshipped to unlock this. The first one is very important. Second one, not so important for this race. You can equip your skills, either 5 or 10, depending on how you want to use it. The character again, as I told you. Just watch your magic bit, if you're a mage. The archive, it shows you the guild hunt, different monsters on the map that you have to slay with your team. Kind of impossible to do it by yourself at this level. The mounts that you're getting, how to obtain them and summon them if you want. The pets, back pendants, and the actual outfits. Now, have the ranking. Class, personal. You can apply to the guild, send a message, check the equipment of someone. Guilds and everything. You have the rewards, again the same page for the rewards, and you have your settings. Whatever you want from here and changing them. Now you have the skills over here. This is for the mount. This again is the settings to hide the player, take a selfie and everything. Jumping and switching target. This is the chat. You have the system, you have the world where you can chat with everyone, and it takes about 5 of your stamina to write one thing here. The current, which is this area, guild, I'm not part of a guild but you can chat there. The race, only for your race. The team, if you're in a team or if someone's just shouting on the team channel that they're recruiting for any kind of quest. The battle, when it shows you the actual HP and damage you do. And the faction. We'll move to that later on. Again, check this, collect them. Now, basically you need to do your quests at this point. Because they're the ones that are important. Your quest, raise the character. After you raise the character, you're gonna have add the skills here. We're gonna wait 1 second until the character is 1 level up. Skip this. Basically this kind of goes on auto mode, so you just follow it. And it's gonna do everything by itself. Just trying to raise the level so I can show you what to check after that. The first few days it's gonna seem like everything is the same, nothing happens because this is a level up.
It contains the official seal of the Northwind Army.
It's gonna show you how to put a reserve, like I've said. Now, you go to the skills, and every time you go up a level, you're gonna have this option, either upgrade it individually, or the auto upgrade, which will do for all of them. Very important, upgrade them. Very important. Now, continuing with the quest. You're gonna realize that your character, everything in terms of attributes will go up.
No, keep it. General Darmstall.
Now as a mage,
Sealed before we escaped. It will grant you an audience.
You would need the magic damage, of course, the magic pierce, the magic critical, the accuracy, and the magic penetration. Basically this one and the magic accuracy combined with the critical gives you the whole damage. So watch out for those.
By the Alma, very good. You may open the case now.
You can skip this. Follow up the quests.
The kiss of the All-Mother Magellana. The seal has been blessed.
It's gonna go pretty fast.
You must go now.
Everything.
Leave.
This is the map. This is the actual map. You unlock it. And you can see everything here. You're over here.
Feel it.
And you have the whole map at your disposal. Now you can change it from here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 islands that you can use. This is Lardar, so this is where you build up your reputation and the worship status, so you can get everything and the last 2 skills. On the new, the offers that they have. Now, this goes into auto mode. If you wanna auto attack, you press this and it starts the automatic combat. As I said, this
I surrender, but know that there are other patrols nearby.
shows you
You won't make it far.
the
What are you doing
following
here?
achievement. Basically, the next one would be the level 10. Got to level 8. Again, you auto upgrade.
I don't know. Do you know where you are? Guardian Fort. Home of the
Upgrade all
Tree
your
of Light.
skills.
The All-Mother's living legacy. You can't just stroll in there. Do you have any proof of
And
your
try to
urgent need
keep
to
a
see
hold
Magister
of-
Palace?
Not this ones. This has nothing. You can just dismantle them. Try to keep a hold of some things. Like any of these stones. There are 4 types. Any of these star shavings. The magic stone. Try to keep a hold of this. This will help you
This
later on.
Guardian Fort is
You'll
still
really
some
need them.
distance away.
You're gonna be
Here,
willing
take
to
this with
spend
you.
real
Go just
money on
ahead
them,
and blow it to summon one of the Hawkbill mounts we
which
train at the
is not
fort.
gonna be
It
necessary
will take
once you
there.
have them.
But be ready. You'll have more hoops to jump through to be allowed to see
Can you just
Magister
continue with
Palace.
the quests? Now on the skills you're gonna have many things here. One of them that I'm trying to reach will be the runes, which will help you with all your spells, all your attributes, and give you your gear score. The game is pretty simple once you get the hang of it. It's gonna show you exactly what to do, where to go, and everything. You can also zoom in or zoom out.
Stop. Who are you? Only those Your Hawkbill has taken dryads, a type of demonic plant, leech energy from the Tree of Light to grow. This is
Second
harmful
one
to the
that you
sacred
get,
tree. However,
gonna be
as a
for
result
free.
of their diet, dryad hearts provide nourishment to the Tree of Light in return.
Like I said,
Gather dryad hearts to
summon
lay
your
upon the
mount
roots of
from
the Tree
here.
of Light
You
to
go.
strengthen it.
and use it.
Forgetting something.
This is pretty much everything you need to know at a low level. Basically, from here on, it's gonna be a bit harder, but you can do it. It's a team invitation from someone else, you can accept it, you can play with them. Maybe they're gonna go into a ride, they're gonna help you. But we'll talk about this in the next video. Thank you all for watching this. Try to follow, try to share, and tell me what you think about it. What would you need in the next video, and so on. Thank you.